Hello kids, welcome back to another science experiment with your scientist Omar Al-Khatib. And what's up guys, it's your boy Omar's World, and today we are going to do a science experiment. Now the reason why I start off with two intros is because I'm actually doing this for two things: school safety project and YouTube content. Today's experiment we're going to be doing is the Coke and Mentos experiment. Now, this is actually based off a chemical reaction, and if you don't know what a chemical reaction is, it can actually become a project that can really be fun for you to do. So, before we get to the experiment, here's the poster I'm going to show you. Now, as you can see, this poster has all the explanation for you to listen closely. We're going to show you the full explanation on how this poster can show proof. Now, first off, you can really see here that the Coke and Mentos can explode together, like this and like that. Now, here's the full explanation. You can see how it can explode, but how? Here's what I'm going to show you. So the Mentos actually have a sugary coating on them, which can have tiny little air holes. The Mentos have tiny little air holes, but you can't really see those air holes. They're microscopic. And mint flavored Mentos do not really taste good. Those tiny air holes can interrupt and collide with the Coke. Since Coke also has CO2, same with the Mentos, they both have CO2 in them, which is carbon dioxide gas. And these can actually both explain how they both interrupt into a really big geyser. So how can it go, you say? Well, it's pretty easy. So it says here that they actually have tiny little air holes. They have CO2 molecules in the Coke and the Mentos, and when they both go together, the CO2 in the air in the Coke can actually become a full sentence for the Mentos. These Mentos can dissolve with the CO2 molecules, thus making the Coke explode and having some kind of typical chemical reaction. Since the Mentos have a coating on them, and that coating actually dissolves through it, it can be a chance it can actually explode. But there's a difference between this. This can actually be a big difference between regular Coke and Diet Coke. How do I know? The Coke has some extra sugar, while the Diet has no sugar. But they both taste the same. How is that possible? I don't even know. It's funny. Anyways, about this, it's actually pretty cool when she gets to know it. Like, you've seen people really do this all the time. So now I'm giving you a full explanation on how this can all happen. And thanks to all the scientific research out there, studies have shown that this can actually be like an edible volcano you can actually eat. Well, maybe not really, because if you put the Mentos in your mouth and shove a whole bunch of Coke on there, you would probably be dead in the next, I don't know, like, minute. And anyways, so with all of that, no further ado, let's do the experiment. 5 Mentos right here. 5 Mentos right here, and 2 bottles of 2 different soda. Let's go! Now, let's start off with the regular Coke. You can see here that it has sugar and calories in the Coke. Now, we're going to open it. Ooh. See that? That was the sound of CO2 escaping. Now, I got my 5 Mentos with me. And now, you are about to see a volcanic eruption from both the regular and Diet Coke. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What? That was insane! Pretty good, too. Now let's go on to the Diet Coke. Apparently this one's supposed to have a bigger explosion because there's no sugar in it. But I'm going to see how that goes and see if it's any, like, special. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That was cool! So yeah, the Coke and the Diet Coke were both pretty cool in their own scientific way of matter. And man, I almost fell into the pool. I wouldn't fall through that because it is freezing. Well, those turned out to be a fun geyser experiment you can definitely get through. And now, this marks the end of the experiment. I hope this poster has helped you with your guide of learning how Coke and Mentos collide in with each other. Well, it looks like Scientist Omar has got to go. Enjoy staying safe and have a great day. And that's it for now. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content and more science experiments I can do in the future. Bye!